All right, as promised, we have here the setup of the A-Liner Switchback. We're here in Elkhart with Chuck from A-Liner, and he's been gracious enough to actually show us how to open this unit and how simple it is. So Chuck, thank you very much. Take it away, it's all yours.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the brand new Switchback by A-Liner. It's about 400 pounds. We've got two 5-foot long storage drawers underneath. There's no wood in the construction at all, so it's all laminated Asdel panels, aluminum extrusions, toy hauler style flooring, high density plastic cabinets, so no wood in the structure at all. Sets up and down in 30 seconds just like every A-Liner does, and I'll show you how it works.
And for those of you that didn't notice the truck, this is an F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed.
Yeah, and with a 5.5-foot bed, you can travel with the tailgate closed. If you have a truck with a 5-foot bed, you'll probably leave your tailgate on. But anything at 5.5 or bigger, you should be able to travel with the tailgate closed. On this F-150, it's under 7 feet tall, so you can back it into a standard garage door as well.
That's fantastic. And look how quick and easy that goes up, guys. Now what you're not seeing from outside is there's a couple of levers inside. I'm gonna step up on the bed just to give you guys a closer look.
That's basically it. You got two latches on each side to secure the sidewalls. The center cushions fill in the bed to make a 60 by 72 queen size bed.
And you were not kidding about 30 seconds, because I'm watching the clock tick on the video here, and it was literally under 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Well, Chuck, I really appreciate that. This is a fantastic product. I love how easy it straps into the bed, how small and compact, so you can get up, get out, go overlanding, or even just go cross country with it in your bed.
Absolutely, yeah.
So get out, check out your local dealer, A-Liner dealer. They'll be able to let you see the product right live. This is their prototype. There's a production unit sitting back here, and they'd love to look after you. Thanks, Chuck, very much.
Yep.
Please like and subscribe to the video. Check out our other A-Liner videos and get out to your dealers. Thanks, guys.